Hey guys, welcome back. Today, my son's Ace 150. We're going to put slip-on exhaust on it. I'm cheap, but hey, you know what? It's a little four-wheeler. Let's have some fun with it. So, got some exhaust off Amazon. It's pretty damn cheap. I'll post a link down below of how much it costs and everything. You can see it. I want to say it's like 40 or 50 bucks. I actually did some of my Yamaha and had one exhaust muffler left over, so time to put it on it. So, show you what we're going to do, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, this is the exhaust I put on there. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I will fail horribly at it. But all we're going to do is basically come down here, take the muffler off itself. It's got two little spring clamps on there. Pop it off. I think I'm going to get it cut off right here. I don't feel like welding exhaust tubing. I ain't got a torch here, so my MIG would probably just blow holes through it. So I also take it down to the muffler shop, let them weld it on there, and probably put an adapter on there because I want to say it's 1.5 inches, and that's probably like 1 inch. So we'll show you what it does afterwards and see the sound difference. All right, guys, as you can see, that's exhaust side by side. Basically almost the same length and everything. Should be easy to swap over. Shouldn't be nothing to it. It's got a little hanging bracket. You can hang it wherever you want to on here. So should be pretty dang simple. Be kind of cool. We'll see what's up. Hey guys, on this video here, it's going to be a lot of video clips of the exhaust sound because I want people to actually hear exactly how it sounds. So I got far clips, close clips, driving clips, and everything. So the video might be a bit lengthy, but it's all about audio, and it's very important if you want to hear what it sounds like. Thanks, guys. Okay, got it all put on. Looks pretty good. Show what we had to do here. You have to cut it off right at the weld for it to fit the flange. It's about 1.5 inch flange and exhaust about 1 inch. So you can see we just basically put it on there, welded it to it. Had to make a spacer. Yeah, that's definitely an air fitting. And the nut back here, just space it out so we get the right spacing so we clear the basically your blocks for your belt, because don't need to be burning the belt up. So we'll show you what it sounds like. Right now I have the resonator in. So I'll show you the sound of it. Resonator in. Sounds decent. Not too bad. Put it down here so you can hear it and rev it up. We're going to try doing this audio with the rigger mic. So I'm going to sit down here to show you. Then I'm just going to clip the mic to my ladder. So we should be able to hear it pretty well. This is resonator out. Try getting new audio clips for everybody. Kind of walking backwards from it so you can see how loud it is actually. Here's another thing I wanted to show you guys. This is inside of the old muffler. It's like a catalytic converter. It's weird. So, yeah, that restricts the hell out of it. So, figured I'd show that to you guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you here.